Kinasuhan sa Sandigan Bayan si dating Senador Bong Revilla kaugnay sa Ghost Flood Control Project sa Pandi, Bulacan. Kapwa akusado niya ang 6 na iba pang dating opisyal ng DPWH. May report si Jonathan Andal.
Sa pagdinig ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee nitong Nobyembre, ikinuwento ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo na isa si dating Senador Bong Revilla sa mga kumubra umano sa mga proyekto ng DPWH. Si Bernardo nga raw mismo ang nag-deliver ng cash kay Revilla sa bahay nito, 125 million pesos noong 2024 at 250 million pesos noong kampanya sa eleksyon 2025.
After receipt of the 25% commitment, which were packed in 6 cardboard boxes, each containing at least 20 million, and 1 paper bag containing 5 million, I called up Senator Revilla to inform him the same is ready to be turned over to him. While the boxes were being unloaded, Senator Revilla and I talked for about 20 to 25 minutes. I asked him, Sen, bakit hindi ka nangangampanya? Senator Bong replied, okay naman pare, maganda results ng survey. Relax muna.
Ngayong araw, kinasuhan ng Ombudsman sa Sandigan Bayan si Revilla kaugnay ng 92.8 million pesos na ghost project sa Pandi, Bulacan. Kapwa niya akusado ang 6 na dating opisyal ng DPWH, kabilang sina Bulacan 1st District Engineers Bryce Hernandez at JP Mendoza. Sabi ng Ombudsman, nagsabuatan sila Revilla at mga taga DPWH para ilabas ang pondong pampagawa ng flood control project sa Purok 5 Barangay Bunsuran. Pero walang naitayong proyekto roon.
Despite the absence of any actual construction, the respondents declared the project completed. Thereafter, to facilitate the release of the entire project cost, the respondents are found to have falsified accomplishment reports, issued fraudulent billing documents, and endorsed disbursement vouchers.
Hiling ng Ombudsman sa Sandigan Bayan, maglabas agad ng hold departure order at warrant of arrest laban sa mga akusado.
For the case of malversation, the prosecution recommended no bail. That said, if and when warrants of arrest are issued by the court, the respondents will have to be detained pending trial.
Si Revilla na ang pinakamataas na opisyal na kinasuhan kaugnay ng anomalya sa flood control projects, kasunod ni na dating Congressman Zaldico at kontratistang si Sara Diskaya.
At present, several cases are still ongoing preliminary investigation, while many more remain under active and continuing fact-finding. This sends and should send a clear message. Those who misuse public funds will be held accountable under the law.
Sinusubukan pa namin kunan ng pahayag si Revilla pero nauna niyang itinanggi ang mga paratang. Jonathan Andal nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.